Today we are going to make a Christmas tree for Christmas. We need an origami sheet, green origami, a scissors, fevicol, decorating things to decorate our Christmas tree with this little star to top for decorating. First, we have to fold the origami into triangle and take the scissors and make some cuts. Remember, don't cut too far. And now, open the sheet. And also remember, do not take too much shortcuts that you could not fold them. Now, take some glue. Put it on the edge. Now we have to take this and paste it on the line that which has been formed while you fold the origami into triangle. Now after we have put some glue, till and paste. And remember, if this happened, press this. All your Christmas tree will not be forming. Your leaves are formed. Now we have pasted. Now let it dry for a few minutes. After it's done, take its stem and color it brown. Then again take some glue to paste the trunk on the tree. Keep it here and apply it behind your trees. Your trunk is ready. Now take the star to decorate it on the top. Now you can decorate it with some decorating items. You can use any decorating items to decorate your Christmas tree, and remember to do cutting with under the guardians of a parent. And your Christmas tree is ready. Bye. See you in the next video.